Hello, welcome to CJ's Motivation. Let's talk together. Come on, let's talk. I have a question for you. Why do you keep falling off? I mean, an honest question. How many times have you started something? You started very strong and only to fall off again. I'm talking about the gym membership, the new skills you wanted to acquire, the big goals. Week one, you crushed it. Week two, you made excuses. Week three, what happened? You quit. You promised yourself this time is going to be different, but it wasn't. And now you started blaming yourself. I am lazy, I am not disciplined enough. But let me tell you something. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are just using the wrong system. And today, I am showing you the reasons why you keep falling off and how to build a system that keeps you moving forward, even on the days you don't feel like it. Because consistent people are not superhuman. They just understand something you are about to learn. Okay, are you ready? Let's dive into it. Number one, you rely on feelings. You see, most people fall off because their actions depend on how they feel. When you feel good, when you feel energized, when you feel inspired, you act. But when you feel tired, overwhelmed, unmotivated, you stop. And listen, I get it. You've been conditioned to believe we should only act when we are in the zone, when inspiration strikes. But here is what nobody tells you. That is not discipline. That is conditional effort. Imagine someone who truly, someone, okay, you just brush your teeth when you feel like it. You think that ridiculous, right? Because brushing your teeth isn't optional. It is not based on feelings. It is just something you do. So that's exactly how consistency needs to work. The difference is this. The difference between people who stay consistent and people who fall off isn't that consistent people always feel motivated. Not at all. It is because they have separated action from emotion. They don't ask, do I feel like doing it today? They ask, is today a day that ends in Y? That's right. Is today a day that ends in Y? If it ends in Y, I'm going to do it. So your feelings will betray you. Motivation shows up when things are easy and disappears when things get tough. Consistency begins when action becomes non-negotiable, not emotional. So create identity-based action. Stop saying I'm trying to work out and start saying I am someone who moves their body every day. Because when you are part of who you are, you don't feel the need or you don't need to feel like doing it. You just do it because that is part of you. Now, let's move on to the second reason. Another important reason. You aim too big and too fast. You aim too big and too fast. Your goals are too big and they are too fast. Big goals are exciting. I get it. They are inspiring. I get it. They get your heart racing. I get it. But excitement fades fast. And when the excitement fades, then everything starts crumbling. You don't fall off because you are weak. You fall off because your system is too heavy. You decided to transform your life. And then you said, oh, I will work out 6 days a week. I will meditate every morning. I will read 30 pages a day. I will do meal preparation. I will do journaling. I will learn a new language. You pack all these things together. Day one, you are superhero. Day 7, you are exhausted. What about day 14? You have missed half of your habits. Day 21, you are back to square one, isn't it? So you try to build Rome in a day, and you cannot build Rome in a day. You overestimated what you could handle and underestimated the power of small, sustainable actions. You see, consistency doesn't grow from massive, changes. It grows from small actions you can repeat, even in bad days. Would you rather do, say, for example, you do 100 push-ups once, or you do 10 push-ups every day for a year? You see, the person doing 10 push-ups every day will end up stronger, more consistent, and they will stick with it. So here is the shift. Lower the size, but raise the frequency. Lower the size, but raise the frequency. Instead of, I am going to the gym to work out for an hour, start with, I'm going to the gym to move, or I am going to move for 10 minutes. You see, instead of, I am going to read a book a week, why don't you start with, I am going to read 1 page a day. So make it small so that you can't say no to yourself. You see, small and consistent beats big and sporadic every single time. That's correct. Okay, let's look at the third reason. You restart instead of continue. I will explain. This one is very sneaky. You see, you restart instead of continuing. You are going strong 10 days in a row, and then life happens. You miss once or 1 day, and what do? You think, well, I broke the streak. I messed up. I might as well start over on Monday. You see, so you wait and you restart. You tell yourself this time it will be different. That sounds logical, isn't it? But here is the problem. Restarting feels hopeful, but restarting breaks the momentum. Every time you restart, you are telling your brain, what I did before doesn't count. But consistent people, they don't restart. What they do, they resume. They don't restart. 1 day missed doesn't erase the progress you have made, but quitting does. So think of it like driving from, if you're in New York, for example, in America, you're driving, cross country from New York to California. Halfway through Kansas, you stop for gas and food. And do you drive back to New York and start over? No, not at all. Of course not. What? That would be insane. That would be crazy. You just get back on the road and keep going. That's what resuming looks like. Okay. If you are saying the United Kingdom, probably you're driving, from Manchester down south, let's say Southampton or Portsmouth. And then you keep going. Probably you just went through Birmingham, you got to Birmingham, and then you stopped, to fuel your car, You don't go back to Manchester and start the journey again. No, you just get on the road from Birmingham and continue your journey. So that's the way, you just resume. You don't start over. Okay? So that's the way it works. I don't know if you're, if you're following me. So if you miss a workout, say 1 day you missed a workout you were supposed to work at, instead of saying, oh, well, that's it. Why don't you do 5 minutes the next day? Instead of, starting over again, you miss your journaling, write 1 sentence tonight and just resume, So You fell off your diet, for example, the next meal, make a very heavy one. You see, one bad day does not define you. That's what I've been trying to tell you. What defines you is what you do next. So let go of the all or nothing mentality and start, and start, just continue. Stop waiting for Monday. Just continue. Momentum isn't built by perfection. Not at all. You need to get that right. It is built by showing up again and again, even when it is messy. Okay, I want to make an appeal to you, if to please show support by we're giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So let's continue. Another important point: while you keep falling off, you don't trust yourself yet. Does that ring a bell? Let's talk into this issue. It's a deeper issue. The real reason why you keep falling off is that you don't trust yourself yet. Every time you set a goal and you quit, you break a promise to yourself. You said, "Oh, I will show up," but you didn't. You said this time would be different, but it wasn't. Every broken promise chips away at your self-trust. So now when you say, "I am going to be consistent this time," a part of you doesn't believe it, because you have heard that before. You see, this is the vicious cycle. You don't trust yourself, so you don't feel fully committed. You don't commit. Yeah, you just fall off. You fall off. So you trust yourself even less. So it keeps going on and on like that. So here is the good news. I always bring good news. Consistency is how trust is rebuilt, not with promises, with proof. Okay, so you don't need a big motivational speech. You don't need to swear, "Oh, I will never quit." Don't swear. You just need to show up again and again. That's right. So every time you do what is said you would do, even in the smallest way, you are depositing trust in your own account. 10 minutes of exercise is a deposit. That's right. One page read, a deposit. One heavy meal, a deposit. Over time, those deposits, they add up. Your brain starts to believe you. So you stop needing external motivation, because you have internal proof. So you stop beating yourself up. You don't need to trust, you don't need to trust yourself right now. You just need to give yourself evidence that you can, by just doing small and consistent, stuff. One small action, at a time. Okay. The next important point: adopt the stay in motion rule. So let's bring this all together with this simple rule: never stop completely. That is it. And that's the rule. I let that sink in. You don't need perfect days. You don't need flawless execution. You don't need to all you just need is to stay in motion. Bad workout, that still counts. Short work session, that still counts. 5 minutes work instead of a run, it still counts. Motion beats perfection every time. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that if they can't do it perfectly, they shouldn't do it at all. And that's a huge mistake. But that's how you fall off. Adopt the stay in motion rule. On good days, go all in. On bad days, do the minimum. But never do nothing. Because the version of you that shows up Even in the hard days or in the bad days, that's the version that wins. You see, not the version that waits for perfect condition or restarts every Monday. Not at all. The version that wins keeps going, keeps moving. Okay, let's recap. You fall off because you rely on feelings instead of systems. You aim too big instead of starting small. You restart instead of resuming. You don't trust yourself yet. But you can rebuild that trust with proof. And the secret to it all, never stop completely. So say this with me. I don't restart. I continue. Write it down and make it your mantra. Okay? Because consistency isn't loud. It doesn't come with, fireworks or fanfare, but it changes everything. So whatever whatever you have been putting off, whatever you have been, restarting over and over, today is the day to stop restarting. Today is the day to continue. So, my friend, if you got something from this, why don't you hit that like button and share this video with someone that needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel. There are other videos coming up on the screen right now. Click on any of them and enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. But now, go show up, and bye for now.